what can I use as a substitute for rice on the keto diet? So my number one suggestion is going to be cauliflower rice, because you can cook cauliflower rice. You can get it frozen in bags, but you can also rice it yourself. You know, get a real head and rice it. There's a myriad of different ways to rice a cauliflower, but they give you different textures, and there's different applications, and there's different cooking methods. I mean, you can even cook cauliflower rice in a rice cooker.
Yeah, and you can make it pretty close to, you know, if you were using it for a sushi wrap or something like that, you get pretty close with cauliflower rice.
Yeah, because rice in itself doesn't have a lot of flavor, and cauliflower is a very mild vegetable, especially when cooked. It also has, it's a cruciferous vegetable. It has a lot of really good healthy gut benefits. It'll loosen you up and get things moving. So if you're struggling with something like constipation, cauliflower is actually a really great vegetable to add in anyhow. So it's a staple of many people's keto diets, and you can do so much with it. So I grew up eating stroganoff over rice, and it's the perfect, you know, cauliflower rice is the perfect substitute to put something like a keto stroganoff on top of. Yeah. But you can just do so much with it.
And it'll take up this flavor of the spices and all that stuff.
Up, just like traditional rice does, it soaks up all those flavors and goodness.